Hello, my name is James. Today, I have a short but powerful message. This was written by Neville Goddard. Interpretation of a scripture. These are truths that can reveal you to yourself. Enjoy. Phenomena of life. I am that which amid unnumbered forms is ever the same. This great discovery of cause reveals that, good or bad, man is actually the arbiter of his own fate. It is his concept of himself that determines the world in which he lives. And his concept of himself is his reactions to life. In other words, if you are experiencing ill health, knowing the truth about cause, you cannot attribute the illness to anything other than to the particular arrangement of the basic cause substance. An arrangement which was produced by your reactions to life, and is defined by your concept, I am unwell. This is why you are told, let the weak man say, I am strong, for his assumption, the cause substance. I am rearranged and must therefore manifest that which rearrangement affirms. This principle governs every aspect of your life, be it social, financial, intellectual, or spiritual. I am is that reality to which, whatever happens, we must turn for an explanation of the phenomena of life. It is I am concept of itself that determines the form and scenery of its existence. Everything depends upon the attitude towards itself, that which it will not affirm as true of itself cannot awaken in its world. That is, your concept of yourself, such as, I am strong, I am secure, I am loved, determines the world in which you live. In other words, when you say I am a man, I am a father, I am an American, you are not defining different I ams, you are defining different concepts or arrangements of the one cause substance, the one I am. Even in the phenomena of nature, if the tree were articulate, it would say, I am a tree, a fruitful tree. When you know that consciousness is the one and only reality, conceiving itself to be something good, bad, or indifferent, and becoming that which it conceived itself to be, you are free from the tyranny of second causes, free from the belief that there are causes outside of your own mind that can affect your life. In the state of consciousness of the individual is found the explanation of the phenomena of life. If man's concept of himself were different, everything in his world would be different. His concept of himself being what it is, everything in his world must be as it is. Thus it is abundantly clear that there is only one I am and you are that I am. And while I am is infinite, you, by your concept of yourself, are displaying only a limited aspect of the infinite I am. Wow! That was pretty straightforward. I don't know about you, but that made me think about times that I put the blame on some condition, or somebody other than myself. It wasn't my fault? Well, really it was. But I was conditioned, as are so many of us. We allowed or accepted certain thoughts, beliefs and ways of being that were the norm, because we were not aware, or at least I was not aware. It might have been something I saw or heard when I was young, or something that I accepted as true and became a belief. Whatever it was either from me not being aware, or choices I made reacting to life's circumstances. Sometimes it appears like a catch-22, meaning that if we don't catch it, we just react. I have noticed that since I started listening to Neville's teachings, that my reactions are more conscious. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below this video, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, and like it if you did. I would like to thank Neville Goddard, Rhonda Byrne, The Greatest Secret, Dr. Joe Dispenza, Evolve Your Brain, Brian Scott, he turned me on to Neville. I'd also like to thank Matt Parr, Jake Ducey, Kevin Stratvert, and so many more that all have a special place in my heart. Keep doing what you're doing. Happy Holidays. James, December 23, 22.